Good afternoon, folks. This is Diamond Coach Curtis, 3/21/22. Come back from a crater diamond and a crystal hunt, and I went ahead and got one of these textile spot guns off Amazon, looking at about $60. Doesn't really come with any instructions. I do have an adjustable nozzle that goes on there, but I'm just trying it out, folks. If you're trying to clean it, does pretty good. Now, normally I will wash this with a wand or a pressure washer, but I just want to demonstrate it. It's pretty simple. For everybody, it's American made. Yes, made in China, wherever, but it's got a water bottle. It's all electric, but it puts out a nice fine stream, and it can really get down in that pocket. You see what I'm doing? I want to get down in a pocket between the crystal. I've used water picks. Use a lot of water that way, but a water pick will work. You have to be real careful about filling up. This is a nice way to clean that crevice out and get down into those spots down between the crystal. Like I say, I'm just a demonstration, but pretty nice for getting clay out. See the clay down in there? You want to be able to get all that out. I've got some back there on the stove. But anyway, textile spot cleaner is a nice way to get all that fine stuff out of your crystals. Have a good day.